That was fire, man.
Oh.
That was really good. Hello everybody, this is Philippos from 3Dnatives and welcome to Rapid TCT 2025. We're here in Detroit in the US, and today I had the great privilege of speaking with someone very interesting in the industry. Would you mind introducing yourself?
So my name is Jonathan Buckley. I'm an AM application engineer at JEOL USA, and I support our electron beam powder bed fusion 3D printers.
What would you say is a key trend in additive manufacturing technologies today that attendees should pay attention to?
I would say the trend for new materials, especially refractory alloys, that's starting to be a big trend. Not only the powder bed fusion technologies that we at JEOL use, but also directed energy deposition technologies and binder jet. We're starting to see a lot of trend in the aerospace and actually even nuclear industries utilizing these alloys in 3D printing to be able to have it for their applications. I think that trend you'll start to see when you walk around Rapid TCT this year is a lot more companies showing that.
So what's the first thing a new user of additive manufacturing technologies should be aware of today?
I encourage users to look at the entirety of the process. Being able to run a machine, set up the machine, take the parts out, remove supports, know the entirety of the process. And this way, you know exactly how your designs will come out and be able to optimize your designs moving forward. That will gain you, as a new user, more understanding of the entire process.
So design, printing, post-process, the whole thing?
The whole thing, absolutely.
And what would you say, John, is like a typical obstacle, a typical pain point that your users come across?
In situ process monitoring, I think, is quite difficult. We at JEOL have a unique capability called backscattered electron detection. We can use backscattered electrons to be able to image our parts layer by layer and detect things like porosity, cracking, and be able to have real-time detection to allow our customers to have a quality system to be able to deliver and make sure that their parts are accurate and of good quality.
So in one word, how would you capture the essence of Rapid TCT this year?
I would say excitement.
And now, John, let's travel together to the very distant 2045, 20 years from today. Where do you see the additive manufacturing being then?
You'll see a lot more demand for unique materials that haven't been developed. We're going to see those uniquely crafted materials in combination with additive manufacturing to develop unique parts with high lifetimes, high strength, high ductility, and things like that.
Well, John, thank you very much for your insights and your time. For everyone interested in news about Rapid and TCT, please stick around on 3Dnatives in the coming days for more videos.